As they commence their sensitization on election preparedness.
The Law Society of Kenya, LC Saina, Executive. Transparency and accountability in the criminal justice.
Leadership of Chief Justice, this very auspicious occasion.
There is need as the OBPP to prepare for.
The judiciary owns the last of the weaker parts of the chain in this electoral justice, because we are the ones who pronounce whether the election was free, fair, credible. Therefore, we rely on the IBC to do their work properly. And I've been so encouraged because we've been working with the IBC to train the judiciary on how to effectively deal with these disputes. And as we train them, I always tell them, my heart pumps because I was a trial judge, and the person I feared most was the returning officer, because this is the one who is given the inherent power to declare who is the winner and who is the loser. And what goes in that certificate, it doesn't matter whether it is his own wish to just write anybody the winner. And then they tell you go to court. Which court? When you know you have to pay 500,000, first of all, to file a petition. You have to pay maybe $1 million or $2 million to a lawyer. So I always tell them, as you're training, please remember to remind the returning officers to do their work according to the law and to be reminded of the electoral offenses that ensue if you must breach that law. And for people to understand, the laws are there to serve us. And when you commit an offense, you're actually committing an offense against the people of Kenya, against the nation, against the Constitution. So do your work and do the right thing.